Hey there, friend. It's me, Pastel. I'm so happy you're here today. This time, we are drawing this very handsome little sea otter. So let's get started. First, let me open my special sketchbook, to a brand new page. All right, and first, we're going to begin with a big, chubby bean shape. There we are. Okay, now let's give our sea otter a face. So near the top of the bean, I'm going to put 2 dots for eyes. This one can be a little bigger. And little eyebrows. Now I'm going to give my sea otter a little triangle nose and a mouth a little like a kitty cat's. All right, now let's give our otter 2 tiny little ears. And for paws, I'm going to do a sideways U shape and another sideways U shape. And then for back paws, we're going to do 2 kind of upside down U shapes. All right, now let's give our sea otter a tail. So right here from his little bottom, let's do a curved line out and a curve back in. All right, now let's give him some nice long whiskers. Sea otters have lots of whiskers. Okay, now let's give him a seashell to hold on to. So here, right above his paws, I like to draw a curved line for the top of the shell. Now this part is a little bit tricky, but we'll take it step by step, and I know you'll get it. Okay, so that for this part, I'm going to draw a little line here, and then one over here to match. Then I'm going to bring the line back out, and the same on the other side. And then we're going to connect this line to this line with a straight line. And there's our seashell shape. And then we can make it look even more like a seashell by adding some little straight lines. And there he is. There's our sea otter. Oh, thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.